Alright boys, we're gonna make a quick stop at start the video off. I'm in my Harbor Freight, buy some tools. Get my wallet real quick. Truck's camming out pretty good. I'm already tired of it being so quiet. Can't even hear it. But anyways, I'm gonna go buy these tools real quick, and then when I get back, I'll show you what I bought. And yeah. All right, so I just got a Hector's house, Charlie's garage, and turns out he's not here. But yeah, this is what I bought at Harbor Freight: just a air hammer and some fall blades. Yeah, because we gotta cut off the hangers or whatever. But yeah, we're gonna get that. Since Hector's not here, I think I'm gonna go put the tires on. It was gonna look funny, but it'll be all right. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm about to go to the tire shop, and I just want to do a little burnout before, so I'm gonna try to get this real quick. Alright boys, so it's spinning pretty good. Look at that. That's good enough. This tire is basically bald, I think. This one's really good, but it's still freaking good, but whatever. Alright, the new tires, they don't look too bad. It doesn't look too bad. It really doesn't. Anyways, yeah, they're Goodyear Eagle GT2. The flip kit in the rear, we're gonna do the flip kit and lift hangers, because I think the flip kit drops at like 7 inches or something, and the hangers lifted up too, so it'll be a 5-inch drop, something like that. I don't want to have to notch the frame. I'm gonna have to cut the bump stops, as you'll see. And the front, we have a 3-inch spring for the front. Homie with the Turbo Sierra hooked it up with that, so shout out to him. I've been having this idea to drop it ever since, even before I swapped it with the 6.2, but now it's finally getting around to it, and we'll see how it runs after, how it acts. Anyways, yeah, this is where you can drop that. This is the, what is this, Brandon?
Flip kit.
Hey, you already, the sponsor video. This video is brought to you by AutoZone Brake Clean.
No, they don't sponsor anything.
They need to.
Yeah, they need to.
AutoZone needs to sponsor it.
It'll be a 3.5 drop.
So the flip kit, there's a flip kit for the rear and lift hangers. And then these are the front drop springs. They're a little used, so don't look at that. And that's next video.
Oh, okay.
That's next video, so please don't spoil that. Alright, first, wheels are off. Trying to study how to do this. I haven't done this before, but I'm gonna chop off the bump stops, because you have to. I wish you could just take this off, but now there's not enough clearance. Okay, we're gonna have to chop it off, and then I think we're gonna end up just hammering the hangers off, and then it should drop down, and after that we should just flip it over. Well, I'm gonna stop because I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, first I'm gonna get the bump stop off, and then we'll see where we go from there. Got the shocks off, the brake lights off, and getting the, what are you getting off, Brandon? The U-bolts.
U-bolts, yeah.
The tang.
Tang.
Both sides. Okay, got the U-bolts off. Damn. Give him the tool.
Alright.
Give him the impact.
Give me a little vice grips.
For what?
For
Take
the
off these top ones in here.
Uh-huh.
You have to,
flip it.
it's right here, yeah.
You should have recorded the other side, because I have no idea what's going on. I mean, the impact. Good job.
I'm just recording, man. Don't shoot the camera, man.
What?
This truck?
Think so?
Just
where I had to fucking use pipe.
put the.
Come on.
Man.
That's because I hit it with WD. I hit it with WD-40 before.
Bottom.
Right? No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn, I got confused. Motherfucker.
I don't know what we're doing.
The tornillo.
All right, boys. So now what they're gonna do is plasma off these little rivets. You can see right here. Boom, boom. See, we're just doing a flip kit. You don't need to do that, but we're doing lift hangers because I don't want to see notch.
Don't record me. OSHA's not gonna like it.
Everywhere, flip flops and khakis. All right, so yeah, as you can see, we cut this off. And the flag, you gotta weld this. So yeah, we still have to trim this up a little bit. These two pieces. I don't want to touch that one. But yeah, getting this cut off, and then get the other two, and then I'll measure to where we have to trim this. Alright, boys, so you got the saw saw. I should have got the plasma, but whatever. I cut this off, boom. Now we're gonna have all the clearance. I didn't record it, but you know, just take the saw saw, cut it as straight as you can. I didn't cut it too straight, but I'm gonna hit it with some spray paint right now, and we should be golden. We thought we had to use this plate, but it turns out we have to take it off. So we're gonna pull this little bolt off, take this off, and then put it back in. But yeah, it's going pretty smooth. Let's see how lowered it gets. Hopefully not too lowered. And we still gotta do the front, and it's already getting a little late. 8:09, but we'll get it done, right, Brandon?
Yeah, sure.
Till 2 a.m., baby.
Doesn't matter.
He said it doesn't matter. See? Well, I like Brandon. He's doing all this for 2 McChickens. Can y'all believe that? That's crazy, yo.
I said 3.
Oh, he said 2 and a drink. All right, so Brandon and Philip, they beat me. So it's 2 versus 1.
Philip didn't really do anything.
He did a lot. Yeah, that's a right.
Damn.
Too bad.
Suelo mal. Yeah. Here you go.
I got plenty of clearance.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh.
There's like 3-4 inches.
From the frame to the...
Yeah, diff. All right, so now we're gonna start on the front. Goddamn. It's gonna drop 5 inches in the front because that's a 2-inch leveling kit right now.
Is it what?
2-inch leveling kit.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Yeah. From what it is.
Yeah. So from what it is, it's gonna drop 2 inches.
It's a 3-inch spring, isn't it?
Or 2 plus 3.
Yeah.
Damn.
5 inches from where it's sitting, but technically on the stock truck it'd be 3 inches. Yes.
Yeah, we don't stay stock around here.
Yeah, me neither.
Don't look over there though. Alright, boys. You start loosening the top bolts, and then the spacer falls out, dude. After that, you should be able to finesse to get it out. Alright, so this side's out. There's a stock 30, which is the new old. The reused one's old, dirty too, but we're gonna go ahead and reuse it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get that installed. It's going by pretty quick. It took like 20 minutes or so or something just to get it on. If that, yeah, if that. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started putting it back on, and hopefully we get it done pretty quick. All right, boys. So, oh, you want to get me? I'll go.
I don't know how much you
We good. All right, so that was sitting. It was a little lean. Hey, boys. So, homie called me out, and I'm not scared. I am a little bit, but whatever, no biggie. Turbo truck on radials versus the crew cab. So we're gonna go to the gas station, get some drinks real quick, come back and check this truck out because I don't like the way it's sitting. I think we figured out one of my shocks is messed up, but we'll see right now. Boys, truck didn't shift. I don't know why it topped out first gear and it didn't shift. Gotta see what's going on with that. I'm not too sure, but for that first 60 miles an hour, I got his ass. That boy need gas. They got me. I'm gonna do a two-wheel drive. Where's the camera? Camera! So that what he got me. His truck still didn't shift. I didn't forgot that issue. Red lines first gear, and I think my transmission just done because it has been slipping for a while, and I think now it's just completely gone. So now we need a trans rebuild. I think my trans temp is 135 though, so it's not too bad. I'm hoping not. I'm gonna need a trans rebuild anyways. Damn, another W for me, dog? 3 L's? Damn, no video, no proof.
Oh, it's on your GoPro.
Ah, delete that whole.
You gotta admit that last one, that last launch was...
Yeah, last launch was good, yeah.
You block it? No, it was blocking.
Apparently not.
I was like,
Alright, I don't know if it's too loud or not, but currently the next day, I drove the truck to work. It rode real crappy. I guess the shocks are too long. So we went ahead and bought some shocks. Picked them up earlier. Gonna be throwing them on today. Yeah, gonna be replacing them real quick. After that, I wanted to wash it, but look, it's freaking pouring right now.
Street performance, the old ones.
We're about performance.
You see how this rides like this?
Hopefully.
Hopefully a lot better, right?
Alright, well, so we got the Beltech street shocks on it. So let's see how it sits now. A little uneven. Oh, that's perfect right there. A little uneven. Hey, but it looks like a race truck. Kinda. He said, cálmate, güey, cálmate.
So that's the truck now with the 3.5. Lowering springs up front, flip kit, and lift hangers in the rear.